this video, we're going to be looking at the Instagram hacked portal, and it's going to be a full walkthrough and recovery. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, if your account is hacked, simply go ahead and follow everything step by step. First things first, open any browser that you prefer using and head into instagram.com. So instagram.com//hacked, just like that, and click on go. You're going to be taken to this page. Click on open app, and now you're going to be in the portal. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your username, just like that. Click on next right over here. Once you've clicked on username, you can simply go ahead and select the account. Click on continue. Once you've done that, as you can see, it will completely let you change your password just like that. If it doesn't, then there's going to be one more step, which it didn't ask me because this was the device that I used to log into Instagram previously as well. But the extra step is going to be they're going to send you a verification code to the email address or mobile number that is connected with your account. So once you enter that, you're going to be taken to this page. Now you can simply change your password. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you